Dive into the world of stock market investing, where fortunes are made, lost, and often regained. This captivating domain is not merely a hub of financial transactions, but a vibrant ecosystem filled with breathtaking stories of triumphs and failures. As we delve deeper, it surpasses geographical boundaries and time zones to become a ceaseless whirlwind of activity. In this era, the stock market functions as a digital marketplace connecting millions across the globe. This international platform is a hive of constant activity and unending tension. It is a world that never sleeps, where financial dreams are pursued, won, and sometimes lost. The stock market, this bustling hub, is a dynamic landscape where the financial destinies of individuals and corporations alike are continually shaped and reshaped. Amidst the intricate dance of numbers and forecasts, the constant fluctuation of stock prices, and the perpetual hum of transactions, a symphony of suspense and satisfaction is created. At its core, the stock market is a human endeavor. Every participant meticulously monitors market trends, evaluates risks, makes critical decisions, and learns from each decision, whether it brings prosperity or loss. It's a place where complacency has no place, and every tick of the clock amplifies the tension and thrill, making it a high-stakes game of strategy and resilience. Indulging in the stock market more than just buying low and selling high, it demands strategy, foresight, and resilience. It demands diligence, understanding, and informed decision-making. With every stock purchased, you're investing in a part of a company, in its potential growth, and becoming a part of its story. Investing in the stock market is not a venture for the faint-hearted. It demands knowledge, emotional control, patience, discipline, and learning. It requires the ability to weather the inevitable ups and downs, to stay grounded during times of prosperity, and understand it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term journey. The market is a world where every decision, every risk can bring you closer to your financial goals or push you further away. Beyond the allure of financial gains, it offers an invaluable lesson in humility, resilience, and the power of informed decision-making. The journey of stock market investing is filled with challenges and victories. Knowledge is power here. The more you learn, the better equipped you become to make informed decisions. It's a game of strategy, patience, and constant learning where each day brings a fresh set of challenges and opportunities. Investing in the stock market can seem overwhelming initially. The volatility, the risks, the complexity can be intimidating. But with time, patience, and experience, you start to understand the mechanics of the market, the factors driving stock prices, and the strategies that can lead to success. Each investor's journey in the stock market is a unique one, filled with personal growth and financial gains. Are you ready to embark on this thrilling adventure? To dive into the exhilarating, unpredictable, and potentially rewarding world of stock market investing? Remember, every extraordinary journey begins with a single step. It's about taking that step, learning as you progress, and staying the course. Each new day in the stock market presents a unique opportunity. Every victory and setback serve as learning experiences guiding you towards achieving financial freedom. So, take the leap, start today. Because in the world of stock market investing, the journey is as significant as the destination. Scene 2. Understanding the stock market, the dance of numbers. As we delve deeper into the intricate world of stock market investing, we arrive at the heart of it all, the stock price's fluctuation. This is the market's lifeblood, a universally accepted truth. The stock market is a dance of numbers, where the rhythm is determined by a multitude of factors. These factors range from macroeconomic indicators to political events. Each aspect influences the perceived value of a company's stock, causing the prices to shift. To effectively invest, understanding these fluctuations is vital. It allows you to predict potential market movements and make educated decisions. It's a complex, ever-evolving puzzle that demands constant vigilance, attention to detail, and financial acumen. Like a sailor reading the wind and waves, an investor must discern the market to navigate its volatile waters. This skill, developed through experience and learning, can determine your investing journey's success or failure. However, stock investing is not a game of chance. It's not about betting blindly and hoping to strike gold. It's about making well-researched decisions, understanding the risks, and preparing for unpredictable situations. In this volatile landscape, staying alert is critical. Market conditions can alter rapidly, and a previously safe bet can become risky overnight. It's a game of strategy and patience, where constant vigilance is the key, and the most successful players are the informed, the alert, and the steadfast. As we dig deeper into the world of stock market investing, we'll dissect these topics, equipping you with the knowledge and skills to navigate this intricate, exciting, and potentially rewarding terrain. So, are you ready to plunge deeper? Ready to understand the dance of numbers that is the stock market? Remember, knowledge is power in this game. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, and possibly accomplish your financial goals. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies in our next segment. Scene 3, the strategic investor, foresight, resilience, and ownership. In this segment, let's talk about the cornerstones of successful investing: strategy, foresight, and resilience. As we delve deeper into the mesmerizing world of the stock market, we realize it's not just a random number game, but a sophisticated dance of analyzing, predicting, and reacting. To survive and prosper in this vibrant market, one must cultivate these 3 critical characteristics: a sound strategy, the foresight to foresee market trends, and the resilience to endure market fluctuations. Our journey begins with the formulation of a resilient investment strategy. It's imperative to comprehend that investing in stocks surpasses the mere purchase of a piece of paper or a digital number. It implies buying a portion of a company, owning a slice of their vision, their product, and their leadership. This critical realization underscores the significance of exhaustive research about the company. Understanding their business model, analyzing their financial health, evaluating their growth potential are all integral components of this process. It's not about blindly following the crowd but making informed decisions based on extensive knowledge and research. The essence of foresight in investing is the ability to anticipate market trends and movements accurately. This is not about possessing a crystal ball to predict the future, but about vigilance and knowledge. It's about understanding the subtle nuances, interpreting the signs, and comprehending the factors that influence the market. Making educated predictions based on these insights forms the crux of foresight in investing. Resilience, the third cornerstone, is about withstanding the fluctuating tides of the market. Investing in the stock market is not about short-term gains but a long-term commitment. It's about enduring the lows, learning from mistakes, and bouncing back stronger. Remember, even the most successful investors have encountered losses. Resilience and ability to stay firm in the face of adversity is what differentiates them from the rest. As an investor, you're not just a mere observer of the stock market, you're an integral part of it. You're part of the intricate dance of numbers, a player who understands the rhythm and moves in sync with it. You're not just investing in stocks, you're investing in a company's vision. You're not just trying to predict the market, you're preparing for it. And you're not just surviving the market volatility, you're learning and growing with it. In the next segment, we will further delve into these principles, equipping you with the necessary tools to become a well-informed, strategic investor. So stay tuned, and let's continue our journey into the world of stock market investing. In this segment, we delve into the final yet critical aspect of becoming a successful investor: knowledge. As we've noted, investing is not just a gamble, but a complex interplay of understanding, predicting, and responding. Central to this interplay is comprehension. Each day in the stock market unfolds new challenges and opportunities. A sudden market downturn can become a chance to acquire stocks at lower prices, while a seemingly thriving business could be nearing bankruptcy. Understanding these subtleties demands knowledge, information about the market, the companies, and the global economic environment. Knowledge in investing is not just about the figures, it's also about deciphering the narrative behind these figures. Why is a specific stock doing well? What's the business model of the company? Who are their rivals? What's the global economic climate? These are some queries that a knowledgeable investor probes before making a decision. The quest for knowledge is ceaseless. The more you learn, the more you comprehend. There's so much more to understand. The stock market is a dynamic entity, perpetually evolving. The successful investor is the one who continually learns, evolves, and adapts to these changes. Every step you take in this journey of investing is a stride towards knowledge, towards understanding, and towards success. Encourage yourself to keep learning, keep investing, and keep growing. In our next segment, we will condense and present the crucial points from our discussion today. So, stay tuned, and let's continue our journey into the world of stock market investing.